Another great dynamic movement to add into your prep before you go overhead is going to be your downward dog to upward facing dog. Go ahead and set up in your downward dog position. Hands are about shoulder width apart, feet about hip width apart. Pushing hips high towards the ceiling and working the chest towards the ground to open up through the lats. As you inhale, draw yourself forward, drop the hips. Toes can untuck if you want, then release that crown of the head up towards the ceiling, feeling that extension from the crown of the head all the way down to the tailbone. And then on your next exhale, push up and back, hips nice and high. Bend into your knees a little bit to bring the hips higher and open up a little more through those lats. And then just keep moving with your breath. Inhale, and then exhale. Five to 10 reps through, and you should be feeling good.